Hi, Mr. Haddad. This is Sarah with Essentially Digital Marketing. Just wanted to thank you for your time this morning. I'm so glad to hear that you have more business than you can handle. I feel like that's the opposite of where I'm finding a lot of folks. So bless you in all your pursuits. I did just want to put together just a quick little video showing you where your site's currently performing, who the top competitor is for Electrician NJ, some things that they're doing to get clients, and then I'll show you how you can start going after the exact same thing on your end. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I did pull up your website here. It looks like you got a great little layout. I love that all your socials are attached. Your phone number is easy to see. You got a really obvious call to action. So all around, I'm not sure if you made this yourself, but really great website there. I want to show you what I did. I took your website and I plugged it into a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a company that buys data from Google, and they created this analytical software. Not completely accurate, but it gives us a pretty good idea of what's going on. And I want to just point out that this very beautiful website that you have, it's only got about 0 traffic. So no potential customers are really being able to find it organically, which is quite unfortunate because I see you put a lot of effort into it, and I absolutely love this video that you have here. All right, so let's go into how to correct this. I put in a search for Electrician NJ. This is how a lot of clients will go about looking for service providers, is that they'll plug it into Google. Let's skip this top part. Those are Google ads. Those are people who are paying per click for each visitor to come to their site. This is the map pack. I will come back and briefly talk about that. But I want to show you who's in the #1 spot for Electrician NJ. It's A&H NJ Electricians, and they're based out of Cranford. I took a look at their website and I did the exact same thing where I plugged them into Ahrefs. And on Ahrefs, you can see that their organic traffic is a good bit higher. They're getting about 151 potential customers to their website. And even if they're absolutely rubbish at sales, if they're only converting 10%, that's still 15 clients a month. And I know in this industry, that's actually a good bit of money right there. So what are they doing to get them on the first page of Google? Well, let's go into that. I will plug you back onto their website. And my first tip for you is related to content. Content is king. Content is everything you see here on their page, including the pictures and even what the pictures are saved as. So for example, if I click this picture here, these guys are actually uploading their pictures as keywords, also known as just search terms. So you can see this one's called electrical contractors. The only thing I would change is I would make it more of a buyer's intent keyword, so electrical contractors NJ. Otherwise, you're gonna have people who can, otherwise Google's gonna crawl this, and you might have people coming to your site that are from Hawaii, Washington, etc. Lots of places where that you don't actually serve. So that would be my first tip, is to change that and upload your pictures so that all of your pictures have search terms with them. My next thing I want to say is that basically you want to have unique authoritative content, but also enough of it that you're actually targeting keywords and phrases that people are searching for to find your service. And Google loves to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. I know these guys have about 1,400 words of content, and if we take a look at your page, we can see that there's not a whole lot in terms of words or paragraphs. So the first thing I'd recommend is getting yourself some more contact and incorporating some of those keywords. Because if you look here, you're not actually coming up for any organic keywords right now, but you definitely could. So I would go into looking at keywords and search terms like electrician NJ, electrical companies NJ, and start incorporating that into your content and adding some more content all around. Now, content and keywords are only half the battle. The other half is actually getting them to rank. And you will get them to rank with backlinks. Backlinks are just a link from another website to your website, and it helps lend power, trust, authority, and even some search traffic. These guys, you can see, have about 13,000 backlinks coming from 52 different referring domains or 52 different websites, and that's giving them a power and trust score of 24 and 13. These values go all the way up to 100, so obviously the higher the better. And with 13,000 backlinks, I would anticipate that these scores should have been higher, so I'm guessing a lot of these are really poor backlinks. So backlinks come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, and some are better than others. So clearly, they have a lot of backlinks, but not all of them are quality. Now for you guys, I would recommend you go after backlinks that have decent UR and DR scores and start getting enough of them that you're beating these guys out with their scores of 24 and 13. And my very last tip for you has to do with the Google Map Hack. This is how a lot of people will look for local service providers. It actually pulls about 44% of the search traffic that comes onto the Google page. And to get onto the map pack, you're going to want a combination of a lot of positive reviews, which I creeped earlier and saw that you guys are not having a problem in that department, but also a lot of citations. Citations are your business name, your address, and your phone number, and you're going to want that listed on as many different directories as possible. Things like Yellow Page, Home Advisor, Angie's List, etc. And the combination of having more positive reviews as well as more citations than anyone else, I would recommend at least 50 to 100 more citations. That'll get you on this Google Map Pack, and you'll be in the top 3 coveted spots. Worst case scenario, you definitely don't want to be any worse than the top 10 because people seldom click view all. And if they click view all, you know they're not going to be searching onto that second page. So those are just a couple tips there for you. So in summary, I would get about 2,000 words of content for your homepage, include some keyword-rich content, start going after some backlinks and get these UR and DR scores higher, and then get some more citations than Princeton Electrical might go over. And with that, I appreciate your time, Mr. Haddad. Again, all I ask for is just a line or two for feedback. Otherwise, I can follow up tomorrow or over the weekend, and I wish you a very blessed day. Take care.